in the springtime, you can get some big weather extremes, obviously, especially in the Midwest. Not so much here on the East Coast, but the same places that were dealing with the tornadoes you guys were just talking about 2-3 days ago are going to be experiencing blizzard conditions over the next 24 hours. It's crazy. Let's take a look at it. Blizzard warnings are in effect for a large part of the Midwest right now, from parts of Nebraska and into Kansas and Missouri and Iowa and up into the southern part of Minnesota right here. All the red shading right here, blizzard warnings are in effect for this area. So while it's 75 and sunny right now in a lot of places, tomorrow they're going to be dealing with a lot of snow. This is the snow forecast for tomorrow going through about 10 p.m. tomorrow night. These purple shades right here could be up close to a foot of snow. Now, this is computer model output, and a lot of times in March you don't wind up with as much snow as the computer modeling is forecasting because the sun angle is higher. But still, the winds could be gusting 40 miles per hour, and it could be snowing really hard in this area right here during the day tomorrow, where it's sunny and 75 today. And typically, on the other side of a spring storm like this, you wind up with severe weather, and that'll be the case with this one as well. The Storm Prediction Center has the risk for severe weather, including the possibility of a few tornadoes for tomorrow in parts of northern Illinois down into Indiana and southern Illinois. So big thunderstorms on one side of the storm, big snow on the other side.